नमस्ते मेरे प्यारे बच्चों, कैसे हैं आप? हाउ आर यू ऑल? होप यू ऑल आर फाइन. Okay, my dear kids, stay home, stay safe. Have you all read the two pages what I have taught in the first class? Did you read that one? Read that one? Have you all understood? Okay. Okay, my dear kids, if you have any doubt, you can ask me. Some kids have come for the Zoom interaction. So, if you have any doubt, you can ask me, okay? What we learned about Sunny Kumar, isn't it? With Sunny Kumar's house, one dog named Rauni. Rauni has delivered on baby. His name is Brownie. So, they are very happy, and the Sunny Kumar. Then Sunny Kumar is going to his father's office. His father is working in a bank, and his father, for what he is going to his father? To buy feeding bottle for Brownie, isn't it? So what is happening afterwards? Let's see. Okay, all take your textbook, page number 3, and take one pencil with you. Keep one pencil with you always, and take it and write today's date on the up of this page. What is the date today? 6/10/2020. And what is the date today? Mangalwar. Write both on there and listen carefully what I am reading. Okay, my dear kids? Okay. पिताजी के साथ मुझे देखकर बैंक के सभी कर्मचारी मुझसे हाल चाल पूछते. पिताजी के साथ मुझे देखकर बैंक के सभी कर्मचारी मुझसे हाल चाल पूछते. Sunny Kumar is going to his father's bank, isn't it? There, पिताजी के साथ मुझे देखकर, by seeing me with my father, बैंक के सभी कर्मचारी. कर्मचारी, what? कर्मचारी? कर्मचारी. कर्मचारी means employees. Employee. Karmachari. So, by seeing me with my father, all the employees of that bank मुझसे हाल चाल पूछते. हाल चाल news. मुझसे हाल चाल पूछते. They were asking about the news, what is happening, how are you, like that they will ask now. So if anyone is coming seeing us first means they will ask how are you dear, like that. And so the employees of his father's bank also, by seeing him, they are asking हाल चाल. How they are asking? कैसे हो बेटे, या क्या हाल चाल है बेटे. They are asking like how are you, what is there, any news is there, any new news is there, like that they are asking. Then third line, इन सबको जवाब देकर मैं चुपचाप एक सोफे पर बैठ गया. मेरे इन सबको, once more I am reading, इन सबको जवाब देकर. जवाब answer. जवाब means answer. इन सबको जवाब देकर मैं चुपचाप. What is the meaning of चुपचाप? Silently. Silently. इन सबको जवाब देकर, well they are asking questions, we have to give answer, so he is giving answer. And what he is doing, मैं चुपचाप एक सोफे पर बैठ गया. I was silently sitting on a sofa. Was silently, by giving answers for those who are asking questions, I was sitting on a sofa. मेरे बगल में बैठे महाशय ने पूछा. मेरे बगल, बगल means side. बगल means side. महाशय, gentleman, one person, like that. Gentleman. So I was sitting on the sofa, and as I was answering, those who are asking, I am answering and sitting on a sofa silently. Then after that, on my side, one gentleman was sitting, and he is asking, सुनाओ बेटा क्या हाल है. He is also asking, what's up? what is going on, how are you, like that he is also asking. Sunao beta, kya haal hai, what is the situation, what happening, what's up, like that he is asking. Then next, acha hu uncle, I am okay, like that he is telling. Acha hu, I am okay, like that I am okay uncle, like that he is telling. मैंने कहा, अच्छा हूँ अंकल, मैंने कहा, I said I am okay uncle. थोड़ी देर बाद वही अंकल हाथ में डायरी लिए मैनेजर के कमरे में जाने लगे. Then after some times, थोड़ी देर बाद, he is that same uncle, that uncle, he was taking one diary in his hand and he is going towards the room of manager. थोड़ी देर बाद वही अंकल हाथ में, हाथ मीन्स हैंड, डायरी लिए मैनेजर के कमरे, कमरे मीन्स रूम, ही इज गोइंग टूवर्ड्स द you can see the picture, isn't it, that Sunny Kumar is sitting there and uncle is sitting on the side. So near to that one door is there, that is only manager's room. So this person has to cross Sunny Kumar and has to go to where the manager's room, isn't it? So he is that uncle was taking one diary and going towards the room of whom, manager. Then even रास्ता मेरे पास से होकर गुजरता था, where he want to go, the way is towards the Sunny Kumar, he has to cross Sunny Kumar and should go. Then after that एक बार फिर पास आकर मेरे कंधे पर एक दांव लगाकर बोले. See, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7th line, you see the 7th line, रास्ता मेरे पास से होकर गुजरता था, रास्ता मेरे पास से होकर गुजरता था, the way towards the manager room was on in front of me, so he want to cross me. Then while going also, एक बार फिर पास आकर मेरे कंधे पर एक दांव लगाकर, he was touching on the shoulder of Sunny Kumar and asking once more, what he is asking, और सुनाओ बेटा कोई नई ताज़ी खबर, any latest news is there, like that he is asking. ताज़ी खबर means latest news. So while going towards the manager's room, so once more he is touching on the shoulder of Sunny Kumar and asking any news is there, like that. मैंने मुस्कुराकर कहा. Then next line, मैंने मुस्कुराकर कहा, I was smiling and saying, सब ठीक है uncle, everything okay uncle, like that he is telling. वे मैनेजर के कमरे में चले गए. He went to the room of manager. थोड़ी देर बाद जब वे फिर बाहर आए तो मेरे पास पहुंचकर उनके जूते जैसे तारकोल के समान चिपक गए. When he went inside the manager's room, then he is coming back. Then after some times he is coming back and asking near to Sunny Kumar. He was standing like tarkol. Tarkol means coal tar. We are putting some the road and all tar na, that we are putting. If the chappal is sticking on the tar, means what happened, we can't take it, isn't it? So like that he is explaining, he is kindling and telling that man was coming near to me and standing like his chappal has stick on the coal tar, like that he was standing. Coal tar, coal means coal tar which is putting on the road, that only coal tar, like his chappal has stick on the coal tar, like that he is standing near to me once again. And what he is doing, he is asking once again, I think. You take next page. मेरे कानों में आवाज़ आई, अरे और सुनाओ बेटा, सब मज़े में है तो ना, घर पर तो सब ठीक है. Once more he is asking. Then that person first time, this is the third time he is asking, isn't it? He is asking, after that he is asking, everything okay only na? Any news is there, everything in home and all, everyone is okay, like that he is asking. So suddenly when he was asking about home, then next third line you see, घर के नाम से मेरे दिमाग में बिजली से कौंध गई. What is happening? घर के नाम से, third line you see, घर के नाम से मेरे दिमाग में बिजली सी कौंध गई means, कौंध means flash. When he was asking about the home, his like light, it came inside his brain. something, because he want to say about Ronnie, isn't it? He want to say about Brownie. So he forgot when he was asking first time and all, he forgot that one. Now he asked about home. Suddenly his brain, that light came like he suddenly asking Ronnie or uske bacche Brownie ka khayal aaya. Suddenly the thought came like about whom, thought came about whom, about Ronnie and Brownie. Khayal means thought. But बड़े जोश से बोला, very, I was, then after that he was very energetic and he was enthusiastic, he was very happy, but he want to say about Ronnie and Brownie. So he was very happy and telling, अंकल आपको मालूम है हमारे घर एक नया मेहमान आया है, एक बच्चा. Then suddenly he is telling, uncle, do you know, in our home one new guest has come, one baby. Like that he is telling, ek bacha, only that much he told. You know uncle, in my home one new baby came, one new guest came, one baby. That much only he told. Then next one, मैं रोनी बोलने ही वाला था. Then suddenly he want to say about Ronnie, but what happened? उन्होंने मेरी बात काट दी. He cut that word. He didn't allow to full the word. That man didn't allow Sunny Kumar to full that word. He was thinking to tell about Ronnie, but that man didn't allow him to fill it. So, बच्चा, उनकी आंखें आश्चर्य से फैल गई. बेबी, like that he became so happy and he was surprised. और तुम अभी तक चुप बैठे हो. One baby came, then even you are sitting very silently and not telling. Like that he is asking, मैं जानता था आज बैंक में ज़रूर कोई नई खबर सुनने को मिलेगी. I know that today I will get any new news from the bank. I know that. Like that man is telling, आज बैंक में ज़रूर कोई नई खबर सुनने को मिलेगी. I know that today I will get any new news from the bank. अब तो मिठाई का न्योता पक्का. Then today, now feast of sweets is very compulsory. I need to get feast on sweet feast I need. Like feast means on function, like that he is telling, I need to eat sweet, मिठाई sweet. फिर उन्होंने बड़े अंदाज से पूछा, कैसा है, हाउ इज़ दैट बेबी. लाइक दैट ही इज आस्किंग, अच्छा है अंकल, मैं आज पिताजी के साथ उसी के लिए दूध की बोतल खरीदने आया हूँ. इट इज़ वेरी वेल माय डियर अंकल. I came to buy feeding bottle for that baby. I came with my father to buy feeding bottle. Like that he is telling to that man, oh तुम्हारे पिताजी को तो बधाई देना, मैं भूल ही गया. Then he is telling, I forgot to congratulate your father. अभी जाता हूँ बात करने, कहते हुए महाशय मेरे पिताजी के पास जा पहुँचे. ओ आई फॉरगॉट टू टेल आई विशेस टू योर फादर, आई फॉरगॉट टू कंग्रेचुलेट योर फादर, नाउ आई एम गोइंग. Like that he is telling and he is going inside his father's room. Like that he is going. Then next page number 5. यह आपकी बड़ी ज़्यादती है राणा साहब, मिठाई के डर से आप कब्र ही गोल कर गए. ही इज टेलिंग दैट यह आपकी बड़ी ज़्यादती, इट्स नॉट गुड राणा साहिब. you felt that you are afraid of giving sweets and you avoid that news to me, isn't it? You didn't tell to me that news, isn't it? Like that he is scolding Rana Sahib. Rana Sahib means his father, Sunny Kumar's father. सो यह आपकी बड़ी ज़्यादा, इट्स नॉट गुड राणा साहिब, मिठाई के डर से आप खबर की गोल कर गए. यू अवॉइड टू टेल टू मी दैट अबाउट दैट बेबी, इज़न्ट इट? लाइक दैट ही इज टेलिंग, आपने बताया क्यों नहीं कि आपके घर नया मेहमान आया है? वाई यू डिडंट टेल अबाउट दैट इन योर घर ऑन न्यू गेस्ट हैज़ कम? वाई यू डिडंट टेल? लाइक दैट ही इज टेलिंग, अरे भाई वह तो. देन ही इज टेलिंग, ए ब्रदर अबाउट, लाइक दैट, ए ब्रदर, that much only he told. But that man, he is not allowing Sunny Kumar's father also to tell about Brownie and Brownie. He was starting to tell, ए ब्रो, like that. पिताजी ने समझाने के लिए मुंह खोला ही था. For making him to understand, he opened his mouth. But what happened? पर उन महाशय ने पिताजी को बोलने ही नहीं दिया. That person didn't allow his father to tell about that. So पिताजी भी मुस्कुरा दिए. Then after that पिताजी was also smiling. वे भी कुछ शरारती अंदाज में थे. He was also feeling like to make him like fool, like naughty. He was smiling like a naughty person. Who? That Sunny Kumar's father, because that person misunderstand that Sunny Kumar father only having baby, but he was starting to tell. Even that person didn't allow Sunny Kumar's father to tell, so he also felt so like we can make him fun like that. देन अब कोई अगर मगर नहीं. अंकल ने छोटे बच्चे की तरफ इतराते हुए नाउ नो नॉट डोंट वांट टू टेल एनीथिंग like that small kid, like small kids he was telling. He was showing actions like small kids. हम मिठाई खाने ज़रूर आएंगे. I will come to eat sweets from your home. और बच्चे कॉफ़ी देखेंगे. I will come to see your kid and I will eat sweet also from your home. तुम अपनी माँ से कहकर मिठाई का अच्छा इंतज़ाम करके रखना. Then he is telling to Sunny Kumar that you tell your mother to keep sweets for me. I will come and meet your baby. Like that he is telling. थोड़ी सी मिठाई से काम नहीं चलेगा. Little sweet and all it's not enough. Okay, tell your mother to buy and keep more sweets. Like that man is telling to Sunny Kumar. आप चिंता न कीजिए, मैं और पिताजी जाकर खुद ताज़ा कलाकंद लाएंगे आपके लिए. मैंने कहा. देन आफ्टर दैट सनी कुमार सिलिंग यू डोंट वांट टू वरी. आप चिंता न कीजिए. यू डोंट वांट टू वरी. आप चिंता न कीजिए माने यू डोंट वांट टू वरी. मैं और पिताजी आई एंड माई फादर विल गो. खुद ताज़ा कलाकंद मीन्स कैंडी. Kalakand, candy. I will buy candy for you and keep. I and my father will go to shop now and I will buy sweets for you. Don't want to worry. Like that he is telling. Are jugju jiyo beta. Then he is wishing him. Okay, like that we will wish now all the best. Like that he is wishing Sunny Kumar also. कहकर उन्होंने मेरे माथा चूम लिया. After by saying that he is चूमना kissing in his forehead. Kissing forehead. He is by seeing all the best my dear, because Sunny Kumar is telling that we will keep sweets for you. You don't want to worry, we will buy sweets and all, and you whenever you want you can come. Like that he is telling. Now by hearing that this man is telling to Sunny Kumar all the best my dear, like that telling, and he is kissing on his forehead. Then पिताजी हंसकर बोले. लास्ट लाइन यू सी माय डियर किड्स. पिताजी हंसकर बोले लो भाई अब तो तुम्हारी पसंद भी बता दी, तो अब कब आ रहे हो? ओके माय डियर, you told about your wish, you want to come and meet the child. Okay, when you are coming? Like that his father is asking. Then लीजिए नेकी और पूछ you didn't tell to me and you are asking now. हम कल ही पधार रहे हैं आपके घर. Tomorrow itself we will come. Tomorrow itself we will. कल ही पधार रहे हैं आपके घर. Tomorrow itself we will come to your home. Like that he is telling. अच्छा सनी बेटा फिर कल मिलते हैं. ओके सनी डियर, we will meet tomorrow. फिर कल मिलते हैं, मगर कलाकंद भूलना नहीं. Don't forget to give me that candy. Like that he is telling. वह कहकर वह हंसते हुए चले गए. By saying that he was smiling and going, that he will come and meet the child on tomorrow itself. Then छुट्टी तो हो ही गई थी. Then bang time and all over. मैं पिताजी की मोटरसाइकिल पर बैठ गया. I went and sat on the motorcycle of father. Then what happening? रास्ते में हमने दूध की बोतल खरीदी और घर आ गए. What is happening? He went with his father by motorcycle, and on the way he was buying what? Feeding bottle for brownie, and also buying bottle for, also buying what? What he has bought? He bought kalakand, that sweet also. देन आफ्टर रास्ते में हमने दूध की बॉटल खरीदी और घर आ गया. भाई ऑन द वे दे ब्रॉट बॉटल एंड दे रीच्ड होम. घर पर मैंने माँ और दीदी को सब बातें बताई. आई टोल्ड एवरीथिंग टू माई मदर एंड माई सिस्टर. सब हंसते हंसते लोटपोट हो गई. Everyone became where everyone were laughed like they roll around and laughed like that, because it was a because that person misunderstood it. He misunderstood like Sunny Kumar's mother having baby, isn't it? So by hearing that, this his Sunny Kumar's mother and his sister became so happy, became so like they were laughing like something. So Lord Pod Hoge means Lord Pod Hoge. To roll round in laughter. To roll around in laughter. L-A-U-G-H-T-E-R. Laughter. To roll around in laughter. So they became, by hearing that, they also felt so happy. Then agle the next day, घर में काफ़ी चहल पुहल थी. It was very sound because he's coming. Is it chahal pahal? What is that? Chahal puhal, hustle and bustle means more sound, because they want to welcome that person, isn't it? He is coming, so they are very busy. Hustle bustle means so sound. दीदी ने ब्राउनी को साफ करने का जिम्मा ले लिया. What happened? Who is cleaning brownie? His Sunny Kumar's sister only was cleaning brownie. Jimma means responsible. That responsibility has taken by his sister. Responsibility has taken by his sister to clean the brownie. Then after that, मैं और पिताजी बाजार. Then after that only they are going and buying what? मैं और पिताजी बाजार से जाकर अच्छा तासा कलाकंद लेकर आए. Then afterwards we went to market. My father went to market and brought hot candy, like maybe like hot candy and all we will get in a hot sweet and all. That sweet they brought from the market and came. कुछ इंतज़ार के बाद अंकल आते हुए दिखाई दे. After some times, after some wait, the uncle has reached his home. This much only for today, my dear kids, because this lesson is very big, so I took more. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in the Zoom interaction meeting. Don't want to hesitate, okay, my dear kids. Listen carefully the video and write and keep where you have doubt. If any doubt in this itself means you can watch the video twice or thrice and keep, okay. So anything you didn't understand means you can ask me in the Zoom interaction meeting. I'll clear it. Don't want to hesitate, okay, my dear kids. Okay, धन्यवाद.